Pixel Redirect URL. The Pixel Redirect URL option is used when you need to fire client-side conversions back to your traffic source via a static pixel. If it is a method supported by your traffic source, go to the Traffic Sources tab and edit your previously created traffic source, or define a new traffic source template manually. Leave the traffic source postback URL blank. From your traffic source panel, copy the pixel and paste it in the Pixel Redirect URL section in Volume. If your tracking pixels are supplied in a different format than URL, take the non-script URL within the pixel and use it as a Pixel Redirect URL in your traffic source template. All attached tags should also be removed from the URL. As an example, let's take a look at the Facebook pixel. Facebook provides advertisers with a conversion tracking script code, which should normally be inserted in the head of the thank you page. From that code, you need to take the non-script element and place it in the Pixel Redirect URL field in Volume. Remember that Pixel Redirect URL will only be correctly initiated when a tracking pixel is used within the related Volume campaign. Thank you for watching.